is the Section 22 mandatory mask order in effect, and is it reviewed regularly?
Well, it's important to know for the Section 22 order, it was written on July 17th to incorporate all the changes to the economy, the reopening that's occurring in Ontario as we speak. It not only includes mandatory face covering in certain situations, mainly in commercial areas, but also includes access to hand hygiene products. Because it's the combination of good hand hygiene plus wearing a mask or face covering where you can't have physical distancing that will really protect our community. We will review the contents of the Section 22 order on a regular basis as the economy changes and if there's any further threats to the health of our community. We've certainly learned during our first wave and our second wave recently that mandatory mask wearing will help our community, will be a very good strategy going forward. It's anticipated we'll need something like this order in place until our population gets immunity to this virus through natural exposure to it, and or we have a vaccine that is used by a majority of people in our community, and or we have an effective treatment. We don't anticipate that being available to our community until at least the summer of 2021. So this will be our new normal. This will be our community standard to help protect vulnerable people in our community, to limit the spread of this virus and best protect our businesses, our individuals, and our vulnerable members of our community going forward. I am very happy that our community has embraced it, is using masks and good hand hygiene when they're going into businesses. And as the economy opens further, as we learned at phase 2, we do anticipate having outbreaks, we do anticipate having more cases, and it's important that we all try our best to limit the spread of this virus. It wants to spread aggressively, and the best things we can do are good hand hygiene, wearing a mask when we can't physically distance, especially when you go into a business where there's other people present, and maintaining that small social circle of 10 trusted, dependable individuals. That will guide us and protect us as we go forward, as the respiratory season is going to start in only 2 months, when we're going to have more viruses starting to circulate, including influenza and para-influenza, croup viruses. So all of these measures will help protect our community until such time that we get population